guys, I hope that you are having a great day. Today's video is gonna be my boxycharm video as usual every month, and today's theme for boxycharm is Galaxy Glow and all the prices in the bag. If you're new to this channel, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to put on the notifications. The first thing I'm going to show you guys is the Sugar Plus Lemon. This is new. It's for moisturizing your lips, so it's pretty exciting. And that was $24 for this one. And the next thing is these brushes. These retail for $29.99. These ones are $29.99. That's insane.
And then the next one are these black eyeliner, which I've been needing an eyeliner. Thank you, BoxyCharm.
Are these Cover FX Shimmer Veil. I think it's for the eyes. So I got the amethyst color. So these are pretty cute. I'm gonna swatch it for you guys. Oh, that's pretty nice. Look. Look at that glow. Ooh. Cool. And then this one is $28. That's a lot of money. So I got the Naked Cosmetics. This is like this is $39.99, and the pencil one was $21. So that's crazy expensive. I believe this is like the glow palette. It's like this. I believe this is for like the highlighting, but I think you could still use it for your eyes. That's pretty good. I like how it's like holographic, so it's pretty cool. Swatches, actually. Let me show you some swatches. This one. So it's like some shimmers on there. Ooh, that looks good. And let's see. Looks nice. So overall, that's what are the pigmentation. I really like this one for probably like the highlight. So I mean, for $39, I mean, I don't know if it's that pigmented. I have in the box all emptied. So overall, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. So that's pretty good. And yeah, let me know in the comments below, and if you're excited for your box coming and everything like that. And let me know in the comments below if you like this video, if I should continue more boxycharm videos and stuff like that. And I'll put the code down below if you guys are ever interested. So if you guys want to screenshot them. That's what it looks like. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.